ideas, our ways that we can celebrate this season of not going back to school. Local group not back to school party. Let me know in the chat. Do you have one? Are you doing something with other families locally? Or is this your not back to school party? We had a lot of them over the years. Sometimes they would be at park days like this. Sometimes they were at swimming pools. Sometimes they were at people's homes if it was not too big of a group. But we had a lot of fun over the years. And so there's just a lot of ways to do this. And you may think, oh, I missed it. We don't have that. Well, you have other ways that you can celebrate this season. So tell us in the comments, what are you going to do? Do you have plans? Do you have new traditions that you want to try with your family? Let us know. Go ahead and write in the comments.